Mare e speaker sa teng se right. Ke tla berekisa ena mo mothong o monosi then be ke founa mo. Bule pele ke prepare dilo tsa ka. O ka nna re isa live Thandi ke nenne ke shebele.
Tena baba.
Ça j'ai fait tout le travail qui roba du sofa ça chai.
Ai.
O tla khala man fanda ka ke letsatsi la batho ba ba stress. Ba ba single.
Ratang go ba buela batho ba single.
Hey ya. Oh la.
Aya, tough. Isa drinki e pink.
Prescription. Mama j'ai aujourd'hui docteur anong ari kapa ke lifetime prescription.
Doctor itse so nga se ka tla right.
Oh bila all right.
So la
Ya re ka ya moye. Jesus. Ouais.
Le nna ke a bona. Le sebedisa Telkom.
So normally when they are looking at product, I can do not today.
Mpa ene ka ntu berekisa e.
Ama Telkom e tlo re sokodisa guys.
I get to explain it and that you want to go.
Jai.
Mo connect. Thank you, Oh, good, Zahir. I'm going to tell it. Because I can't remove the phone in the road.
So why phone the running that size?
Ona ya no wa sa ipone ya no re tlo dira show yang ka sa ipone. Ya no ke bua ke sa ipone.
What's iPhone?
Na ke khone ke sa ipone. Sa emma di viewers di tlo re ke ja e fashion tate moruti. Swapane So Thandi re dira yang?
lovely. No network ke hleng ba tlo ba lla ka network.
E sharp I think.
Mavele slike.
Ka ke ema no ha ke ema go thata gore ke boe. Nna ke na network ha ye ge ke tla rana show ke sa ipone.
Kena. Guys go ba hlaloseng why ntse re sokola. Ne.
Go ba hlalose sentle.
Ke tla dula ke le hopotsa. Router aya patalwa. Router yaka e re sebedisa ene patalwa ke office yaka e patalwa ke mphomotseng a ro lebetsa le a tseba le kgetla pele ya ke phone ena le hlola e block le phone ya ka
ai sho ya ka tsile hampe today
phone Anze
you
reta
said home ale mpona ke haka ke tselo sho ya ka
phone ya ka neng ne tla be sa patalwa le yo e be le hore into ya kwalwa phone ene patalwa ke mphomotseng le seleke so router e sa le e tshwanela ho patalwa a ke tsebe neng so this ko motse re sna ntse re soko
ndete mo go tshona le batho ba go overcolta Monday motivation ke ya go tha bible mara ba ne ba Monday motivation ya go tha bible ndete Monday motivation go dira getseng re bue ka wena ge bonya
a ke ne ke le Lesotho e fihle late mara ga yes
o moshonye ya kae
no nka mo
go like moshonye ya kae
okay a re patele taba router so router mpomotseng le seleke ha ba so ipatala and I'm not sure lore ba tlo ipatala because mpomotseng a ro lebetse mara re tloyetse ke bophelo ba mona ba hore neng dintho di patala le phone ena yaka ene sa patalwe ha re etsa di live o fumane neng ebile nna ke nana re na le sim card problem so no we had to rinse sim card yaka mona re kinye router
bula show geta tmgo a ke go decide lo tsaya bula show
ke bula show viewers at home
o sa banketisa ntate mohuti sa banketisa o sa banketisa
Sarmonani dihlele no si so lovely o si so abanga patalanga I router
manje
taba router
ke tla ipulela show
taba router ona re tlo kwa ka no fika la shuyela kwa a re rane show
viewers at home greetings ke a le dumedisa ke nana hantse show intse e ntse ke gaina matla ke tla dira o so lovely wa bo no ena a ke na matla next
ankweke
ba hluthile
o etsa etseng
man kutlule dilo tse dintsi a ke ditse mo sofe mari ke itse beke le beke izinto ziyavela today is our lovely day bomme le bontate viewers at home ke letsatsi lane he le leholo la batho ba single yes batho ba happy batho ba sa imelang batho ba sa nweng prescription yes ke letsatsi la batho ba arrived. It's a wonderful day and it's a wonderful day and it's a big day. Yes.
Hello, get
Yes. Come on, church. ga o sentse o pe matsogo a ke dira yang yo then it's a wonderful day. Oh yes, for the single people. Oh yes, we famata.
Okay.
I start one today. Viewers at home, it's a wonderful day.
Yes.
Yes,
Oh yes.
for the single ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
I'm going to get them partners.
Oh, Rabba.
Oh, I can hear the spirit. My soul says yes. Uzawuthola umntu.
Yes.
Umntu basohlangana babe abantu. Yes. Ke tseba iphamisa, ladies and gentlemen. Tsenang Fandaga show ya rona. It's not a pre-launch, it's an introduction of the Right Peak Season 3. I know page ya rona we get new followers every day, and ke kopa ba ileng khale ba re follower le sekela fela pelo every time ha ke explain for the new members. I ke itse I'm a person for the people, and for the people I deliver. Yes, nna ke motho wa batho ene ke tshwanetse batho ke ba tshepagala. Now new members, I welcome you to the Right Peak Season 3. Hey! Season 3.
Yes.
It's season 3. Mary, it's not yet official. This is the introduction. Season 3. I can't for it. This season is for the people. The people that are happy. Yes.
What are you singing baby?
Ba happy ke ba tlo kry batho.
Oh.
Mara ba happy ba no prescription. Wena shop.
Ke shapo. Mba fela ke ntse ke ware ka taba ya ntho e sa patalwang.
Yo ahle. Esenkofe motsotso o bua ka yone re ifeta he. Sana khutlela ho yone. Yo. Now, for the new members, I welcome you to the Right Peak Season 3. This show, today specifically, it's an introduction of what is going to take place more the Right Peak Season 3. Now, we had Season 1, which is now officially closed. Season 1, we were in the search for November. And moto oneng mo batlela moto ashu. Yes. Abuti kena tlileng with the Right Peak. No, actually, he's the founder, the Right Peak. Kena tlileng ka the plan, the Right Peak.
Yes.
And then abari ke batla start kanna because na ke rate life ya bo single sele. Ha ke batla go nna single forever. I don't want to grow up lonely and old because I get mona old. Sharp. The Right Peak now. We had 11 candidates, and then they came. They had lunch with him, and then he every date and another date each of date is a million. It's a million sharp silik. Then candidate right. To sharp. But at the end of the day, as much as he enjoyed the date, the 11 ladies, and then he was forced to make a decision because Right Peaky right pick re batho ba lenyalo we believe in love okay now la ha re dira dilo tse as much as re tla be re di dira ka tsela e funny gore le natefellwe ke show but it's not only about fun it's about helping people to get their lifetime partners ne yes now Dr. November out of the 11 he had top 3 and then Akheta out of top 3 he then made his choice eling Oslebu all the way from Lesotho ke shoba bangata he le nentse le mona Oslebu mo bo there leker Vrydag le mona na mo right pick now Oslebu abe atla ge ka something a re bona ka second date akere ba nile le di first date ba be bana le di second date now second date ge ke mo le mo ditaba di tswa monate teng cause akere camera ha yo full time Oslebu ba re bona if it happens one kheta nna ke le Lebu ke tlo dumella polygamy then khanti Oslebu wa batho we bua mo motho o na ntsa e batla all these years ebile gona le dijara tsa iphetsing
Glory.
ma we iphetsi
Glory.
we iphetsi tata we iphetsi
Yes.
and then emo molaong le se mo molaong
Shaka Zulu.
yes and ha ke bua ka yone le skela makala o tlelwa ke matla ha ke bua ka polygamy le skela makala yes now ya ba ge from there because now ka re tshwantseng go batliwe mamncane ne because now family ya oketsiwa Oslebu tlile ka taba ya stepu go ntate a e rata a ithabela a ba re ha re dire that is why the go nnile le season 2 yeah the right pick as much as today ke introduce season 3 but season 2 ha ga e kwala re kwetse ka di new application but yone ha ya kwalwa ntse dirwa off camera because sethepu ke taboo batho sethepu ke something e reng ha motho a bua ka yona wa bona e tla e hita botlhoko mare ke ntwe batho ba ithabelang ba thabela go iphila but ba thabela go iphila ba ihile mainanyana wa bona gore na because I'm a divorcee I was settled for married men and no na ha ke be gate motho o nsana man so I'd rather ke date married men wa bona now if you lo maina but high class straight yone e ba problem and the society tsa rona community ya rona ha le yone ntse sa understand taba ya polygamy now enable problem for the candidate hold that is why re bone go okay ha re running season 2 re ntse re rana season 3 but season 2 because yone itla ele thaba itla le something that is huge re tla yetsa off camera now today ke tlo introduce season 3 mare season 2 ntse ele teng neng le tla bona teng mo season 3 ke tla tlhaga le ntate moruti ke tla tlhaga le Oslebu ba re ha di updates ka gore ba ntse ba ya mo journey ya bone ya go batla either mamncane kapa mamkhulu ne and then mohlamba mo kreile then we will do a closing a proper a right and then ba be ba re blelle gore now that ba kreile mamncane kapa ba kreile mamkhulu way forward ke labo mare be re fila for no man ha re skeng ga we senya nako ka go concentrate only with this so re tlo dirana di le pedi that means right pick at this moment we have season 2 and season 3 and bona ntse re diranye ke incha shebang le mo di TV mo di channeleng tse di powerful tse di serious a le soka le bon show e ganang ka season tse ka ere go ngwanami ke right pick hela re gana ka season 2 and season 3 so now season 3 ke a also lovely also o le go so dira dilo tse di all right abuti o tla tla ja ka guest yes
like now the guest cup
jaka no o guest ma go itsenya ka ha o le guest sontse emele go go botse dipotso jaka no yana ke guest mona ha re batlele yene ha re botse yene dipotso viewers at home please yene o tla ka nako ya date o tla re fa update ya gagwe gore na the journey go ntse go diragala. But the show ya season 3 is not about Oslebu, it's not about Dr. November. Ke kopa that one le kry-eng right. Season 3 is not about Oslebu, it's not about Dr. November. It's all about single ladies and single gentlemen out there. Now, because nna ke also all lovely, also all like also dirang dilo tse di all right. Ha ke rate go dira show ke sa itse batho ba nshebeletse. Ke kopa le mfounele and then tell me gore o se lerato re go shebeletse and then rona re ikutlwa yang ka season 3. I said I'm here for you guys. If in se ka lona viewers at home nka beng ke semo. Now I don't want to do anything e leng gore lona ha le happy ka yone. No, I'm a person for the people, and for the people I do justice. Now ke kopa ke le fe di number tse le di phonela. Di number tse wa mfounela no yan wa mplela o se lerato o so lovely go go shebeletse. Yes, di number tse le di phonela ke 067 095 5039 067 095 5039. Before ke le blela today go tlo go diragala mo show, I said today ke introduction of the Right Pick season 3. Now mfounele before I ke batla go dira show ga ntse ke bua ha ke tlhagile mo di screening tsa lona. The number tse le di phonela gape ke kopa di pheta ke 067 095 5039 067 095 5039. Ya tlhagella le no yana mo di commenting tsa luna. Ke kopa fela ke bale ke utlwe ke bo mamba ba leng teng mara le sa phone ke kwala show. Okay, how about you dumedisa batho ko ga motsotso ge dumedisa.
Dumelang ho tikinke 1 minute ke dumedisa.
Yes, cut. Yes, before ya kope o ka o tla
re diedise fela ke ntho.
No ke nana ke tla dira show ke le mnosi.
Oh.
Ka go golla ge. And then get root modisa a re baratua dumelang ke le rata le gona go rata ka love. And then Khaletsa Tsotso Dikeledi Ari, we are inside within our favorite show. Okay, Malindi Matlajo Ari Dumelang family. Kheleza Tsotso Dikeledi Ari Jai Fatle Selike. Luna Mari. Yo, I clay. J.A. Gilibata Ari Jai fa also lovely. Why Lidirayano? And then Poshia Mokhobi Ari network. Ke kopa o check gape Poshia gore na
so bua ka pele
ke nana ke pele. Yo, okay, tse ke tlo di tlola ne tse di ring jive Selike. Ke o kry-ile molaetsa ka letshepisa next week ke tla jive. E seng vandag. Mari ka letshepisa next week. And then Khaletsa Tsotso are also lovely, also beautiful Selike. Hello Dali. Ladies are hello Osi o lovely Lintate Muruti Oslebu hi Lisimo are pastor o recall them Monday motivation. I thought Lukis Sposa are evening beautiful family Sposa from Dinaweng Haribaka dile baloi Lena ke chojala tse ane network is kudis inele baloi Khaletsa ara au batung route ke
ile powerful ya
ara au batung route haya patalo askisi. And then omare voice ile kae my lovely sister eteng voice wa utla ke ntate mogoti. And then omong a re novi o ntsha diphiri le makunutu hle batho. And then ba re no secret here o Selike. And then go na le go galemela ntate moruti a re viewers at home ke a seleke hlenovi. Yes. And then lesamo le sema a re kopa o yetse Monday motivation hosane. Le nna ne ke re phone ya ka na le probleme novi ke ba le Monday o monate haholo. O ha ka ba le Monday o monate haholo. Anantsana ke bothata ke phone. Oh yes. Ke na go le ne re ha ba re bone ba ba re but we can see you. And then, okay, single people, it's a wonderful day. Oh, yes, it's a wonderful day. Yes, it's a wonderful day for the single people. Yes, it's a blessed day. And then, maybe ne sa utlwi sentle because of network. Kgaitsedi ya ka o thumeletse your peak liene ke thabile ke mango. Okay ntate moruti ke di motivation batho ba thabile and then ba thabetse this wonderful day for the single ladies.
Okay,
yes
hey
now okay dingata yes viewers at home re tlo yetsa so ke na le di candidates ne ba tsening ba re o se lerato re kopa o re tholle di partners, but because I'm not selfish ke also lovely also like also dira dilo tse di alright ke tlo go fa le lona the opportunity gore le tsene. But before le tsena I this is an introduction of what is going to take place kapa what will be happening in the season 3. Now ke batla le mamele le utlwe re tlo go bua le bone but today ha le ba bone. No, today ha le ba bone le tlo go utlwa di voice tsa bone le utlwa di voice tsa bone le utlwa di voice tsa. Then come next week Monday. Yo
nna ke bete
o singile
ke na le motho ke singile hape.
Oho
ke ntho ke na le two side ke na le motho the other side still singing
enana ya polygamy ya hlotsa
tse ke le singile ho yona.
Oh, jelo no go otle monana masingile ke tlo zama. No, you can come that day, you can come. Now, viewers at home, ke tlo phonela wa pele candidate number 1. But hey, ha ke tlo bua di details. Ke tlo mo phonela yena a bue gore ke mang o tswa ko kae o tlo ipulela.
Okay,
yes. Re bereka ya lolo yana mona go monate mona a itlo ipulela for ene ke mang o tswa ko kae o batla motho o yang mare ha le tlo mmona ne. And then le tla mona next week ke re no yena ke introductional ka le gadisa le show ya today ha tlosa nako etele.
Okay,
yes ke go gadisa fela gore this is what we have in store for you viewers at home. Yeah, ha re mo batleng rutlong for na yene are in yo nthetlo yetsahala mo viewers at home nthetlo yetsahala mo ka le kopa for those guys ba re o se lerato we want to settle ne please do that ne please do that. Settle ka go founela di number then ke le kirele batho ne. For the ladies ba re o se lerato we want to settle down. Phonela di number tse ke faneng ka tsona di teng on your comments right now. Di phoneleng then re le kirele batho. But I promise you this journey ya season 3 ke journey sa tshwaneng le di journey tse ding right now. E reng fela ke phonele candidate ya rona, our lovely candidate Ramubatla it's a wonderful day. Ahle candidate a gabela phone hle lavi. Yo.
a ka utlwe ntho e le gale re utlwa season 2
Shoo. Joe. Ki di ga ya ngale ya. Au go bua hela for ke batla light in complexion, dark and tall, slender and tall. Viewers at home, ke bereka yang?
a ne e ke gape mohlomong
Ole possible se etsa di-WhatsApp call because di a feta.
Ke ntho o tswa ntho ke direka ya ka o tswa Lesotho. Bomme le bontate re bereka ya re ke mo leketsa dilas. Hey ntate.
ja ke bohloko kore this time ke lla le wena wa sa
Yo
o itse lona masengele
re di happy souls go dira getseng yanong yo ha yanong ke e bereka yang
o fona ka ya wa
ke tse ke dira jo viewers at home ke kopa yo le ne le experience so se yang ke buile le batho ba mos ba le right go le monata le no ka ya bona ke re no ha ke tswa ha re tla ke tswela kantle hey viewers at home ka moleka gape yo ntho yana ke sa to e bona ntho yana Thando dirileng yana e dire okay Hi, viewers at home, ke kopa candidate ne ke fetsa o bua le yona no. If o shebelletse, ke kopa fela le wena o re founele ne and then try gore o bue le rona because ntse ke try gore founele. Viewers at home, I'm trying here for the last time. Then Rafita. And then I'll be trying another candidate. No answer, I'm going to the second candidate. Yo! It's a wonderful day. Gone! It's a wonderful day. Gone. Okay? Let me call Omunghape, candidate number 2. All the way from Pretoria. I'm calling her and then Liene kukupa something wrong.
yalla Mariana
Ya ringa. Kyo. Hi, my sister. How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good. Yes! Viewers at home, I'm with candidate number 1 for the single ladies. All the single ladies. Hey! Okay, baby. We are live right now on our Facebook. Kindly tell us your name, your age, and where are you from? because yaanong ke go batlela partner. Alala.
Okay, hi, good evening, everyone. It's Precious here. I'm 42 and I'm from Pretoria.
Okay. Yo. Okay. Viewers at home, right now, mo mogaleng, mo phone ke bua le Os Precious, o 42 years, and then o phone a le ko Pretoria. Now, Os Precious, kindly tell us, because right now it's a online interview. Marie, I promised my viewers that next week they will see you, but today I'm just giving just a snapshot nyana ya go fela o bue gore na wena o rata motho o yang, o batla motho o berekang, o batla motho from Free State kapa from Gauteng province, bialo. So now, my sister, I'm giving you this time gore o re blele your ideal man. Take notes.
Okay, my ideal man is someone who's tall.
Tall,
athletic
number one.
Yes, and then light-skinned.
Light skin, number two.
Yeah, and then someone who's very hardworking.
Hardworking,
Someone.
number three. Okay.
And he must be well groomed, like smelling good, looking good. He doesn't have to wear expensive clothes, but be well presented.
4. All right. And then that's not to call. That's not my candidates. Okay. And then tell me number 5.
I prefer someone who's born again or in the church setting, you know. He doesn't have to be a pastor, or like he could work in the corporate, but spiritually he needs to be in touch with the Lord.
Okay. That's number 5. And then obata oberekang kaposa bereking.
With what I say? Huh?
Hardworking, I can
Hardworking,
maybe. Okay.
Yeah, no, I would need someone who's working.
Okay.
Yeah, it could be someone who's self-employed or who is employed already.
Okay, age.
Okay, the age range. I wasn't thinking of going to Ben 10s, but I'll go a little bit down. Under me, maybe 40, between 40 and 45.
All right, that means when you are looking at the range of 40, 45.
Yes.
Okay, sweetheart. And then province.
Anyway, it's cool. I'm fine with anywhere it comes from.
So fana ka molaetsa just to the guys that are listening, to the single guys that are listening.
Okay, this is impromptu, but if you're a guy and you meet 1 or 2 or 3 of the requirements that I've just mentioned, feel free, because my name is Precious, single, and I'm ready to mingle, and I could find my perfect match on season 3 of The Right Pit.
Okay, here's the important question now. O batla motho e leng gore o na le bana kapa o senang bana?
It's okay if he has 1 or 2 kids, or if he has none.
Okay, wena o na le bone?
Not yet, no.
Hey, o na bana? Okay. All right. Sweetheart, I think all the gentlemen out there, bautlwile, and then when you patela fela a hardworking man. Ke kopa fela ke tlo boela mo wena before show ne. Let me take this call and I'm gonna come back to you. Oh, okay.
But what process, man?
Wena, are you a plus size? Like o lovely kapa o smaller nyana? What size o berekisang o apara size man?
Okay, I'm not small. I think I'm medium, like size, I don't know, 38 to 40. It's flexible. Sometimes it's 36, sometimes 38, sometimes 40.
Oh,
Yeah.
that means you are a medium size.
Yeah.
Okay, honey, boo boo. And
Yena wa sebetsa, o
are
na
you
le koloi
working
kapa na?
wena? And then Kapa, where do you stay?
I live in Pretoria in Gauteng province, and I'm working.
You are working.
Yes.
All right. I think it's a deal. We will go deeper that next week. Now, this week it was
Okay.
just fella to give guys out there that call to say, hey, ladies are here.
Yeah.
Okay. Ke itumeletse go bua le wena hle.
No, you're welcome.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay then.
Bye, sweetheart.
Bye.
Kwa tse ke mo botsa gore wa o sa mmotse gore o rata polygamy kapa.
It's not about you. It's not about how they anymore.
Ke botsetse nna
O boletsa ma?
gore mohlomong
E ka nna ntate o mong o mo shebile ka o mo lenyalo.
ntate o mo shebile ntate o rata polygamy. Ke etse example.
Ma o dira example
No,
e
ke etse
relevant.
example.
Ke re good.
Mara ke example.
Because I get re shebelwa ke batho all over. Bo bo Limpopo, KwaZulu Natal kana o tlo thola gore maybe go na le ntate kai bo KwaZulu Natal bo Limpopo e leng gore o rata stepu ka bo ga stepu.
O tshwantse wa botse potso e.
Mara ke ra re buletse wena. Mara ke
no le botsetse nna. A ke re nna se sho ya ka that is why ke thotseng.
wena o tla ga di-update ke wena o na le di-candidates tse ne di tlile mo go wena tsenana a di tle mo go wena tsena ankere yes ka tla re dumellane ka eo
Mosisiwe. Mosisiwe nka bolao. Phone.
I'm calling candidate ntse phone ke ntse ke try go founela no ga o arabele. Can you kindly Ntabi, please call me. Nana, I'm trying to call you and then how diri. Okay, wa bona na kone ke mo founela le no mfounetse. Bon. Ke kopa ga ke ske ka o founela wena call me so that re ske ga nna ga clashana ne.
Ke no phone.
Okay. Hey, kumnandi this side. Hello sweetheart. Yehle. Ntabi. Hello sweetie le kae? Ke teng wena o kae baby? Shift a bikinyana, your network is bad. Yes baby. Ka utlwa nana bua. Hello tadi e tla galla sha. Ga utlwa rona.
O ka call straight
Okay, phone ga ka call straight. I don't mind call at nan. Sharp phone ge. Okay. Viewers hello.
Le botse le ka
Ono re go botsa ka internet.
I took it credit.
Okay, hanse re mo emetse ge a tsene a re phone ke kopa o re fe just a bit of the updates. Tsa gago. I kere last week we interviewed people and then bo osgomotso and then ga utlwa go bua we had people from Vanderbilt Valley, we had people from Pretoria. Now gona le ba o kopane le bone kapa o buile le bone dan go tse go diragala eng o haufi le go vena kapa o gakala nyana ke dirile sound of phone e tlatse.
Okay. Next so win.
Ma o haufi
Ke re ma.
ke batla o
I get
tlhalose.
to let me be honest ne.
Okay. Hello, Tabi. I don't know what Kalanka. Hello, Tabi. Yes. Yo. Hello, Osi. We took his seat as well. Vodacom. My single ladies, yes. Okay.
Obana my single ladies.
Boot. As a shoe.
Okay.
Yes. Now, reblele ge wena for na o bona o atumela go wineng kapa o ko moga gonyana.
Now I don't put effort for like I can so kopane le bona I so he honestly was not Vanderbilt I so Pretoria guy I so
Wa bua le bone mo phone.
ke a bua. I think you know Kenananto if ke ba honest name I get choose no ke choose for the last time because it's ke monyatla ka di last name to choose ne so I'm very much careful.
Okay.
I'm very much careful or ke choose mang wa bona ke consider dintho tse ngata ha ne ke etsa season 1 it was easy for me
Yes.
ke choose ke sa struggle and people came ne but ona ntho tse ngata tse ke sa kang ka di consider ne.
Okay. Candidate Ashu candidate. Hello, sweetie. How monate le kae honey boo boo?
Good day, mother.
Eh, ya sweetie. Ke kopa fela o bolele batho go wena o mang? Dijara tsa gago di kae o boka yese? O na le bana ba ba kae? O dula kae ana wa bereka na? Before re tlo go itla mo bofuteng wa monna o mo batlang. Re tlhalosetse ka wena pele. Mothatsege.
Okay, I see what. Na ke o sing tabise.
Okay.
Ke a sebetsa.
All right.
Ke na le dilemo tse 45.
Okay.
Hi, ke fix beke ke sebetsa Gauteng.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, me wa.
And then njwetse he bana o na le bana ba ba kae?
Ke na le bana ba babedi, first born o sebetsa paramedic, second born o etsa grade 12.
Okay. And then ha re tle mona na he e leng ya bohlokwa o bileng ke buang le wena ka yona phone mo. Because hantle nna ne ke sa batlo tseba ka wena haholo ne ke batla o tseba ka mofuta wa ntate wena mo batlang.
Okay. Ke bua ke batla ntate a jwang.
Yes.
Okay. Atwa a o se bo ke tlo bua ntho tseo ke di ratang le tseo ke sa di rateng gore le motho a ntate a kgone go utlwisisa ka nnete a o se lebo ntho pele ke tlo kopa ke di kopanye ke tlo kopanya tse ke di ratang tseo ke sa di rateng a o se le rata
Ha ona bothata rato laka.
ntho pele ke a kopa jo ha ke batle stress a o se le rato ha ke rate stress ha ke rate ntate a le rata gobane le nna ha ke tsebe go mana ha ke mme a le rata.
O ha batle motho a le rata.
Mme wa ka ha ke
Okay.
a kere ka hare ho lenyalo a o silebo ke mo nna le ntate re lebeletseng ho thaba ankere
Yes.
Eya ke lebelletse nna dintho tseo ke di hlokang ke itlhokela ankere bebele ha o e bala bebele ha o e bala e re ntate a rate
Yes.
a rate mosadi wa hae
Ke mosebetsi wa bona hore ba re rate.
ya mme wa ka bona ba ke batla ntate no atlo a tlo mfa lerato amphe hlompho ke ya mme o tlameha ho ikokobetsa hwa ntate ke hore a mfe lerato a mfe nako a mfe botshepehi dintho tse tharo fela tseo motho wa ntate
Le botshepehi
a o se lerato a mfe lerato nako le botshepehi ebe nna jwalo ka motho wa mme ke mo fa hlompho ke mo fa boikokobetso ke mo fa le nako a o se lerato
jwale he o batla okay
ebe jwale hape ankere ke e tlabe le ntate a nang ho latela age ena ya rona ke utlwisa hantle hore e tlabe le ntate a nang le bana jwalo ka ha ke na le bona jwale ntho
bonyane at least a bana le bana ba ba kae
a toba a o se leboka a o se lerata sis a se lerato ke nagana hore bana ha ba re letho mme wa ka bana ha ba re letho fela mara ke batla ebe ntate a tsebang hore ankere kore ke tlo bua ka ena ne ke bue ka nna ga gona ho utlwisisa
okay
ebe ntate a senang kgethollo baneng re ke etse mohlala ebe ntate o na le 100 ranta ne ha na le 100 ranta a ska ba fa wa hae 50 ranta ya ba o fa wa ka 10 ranta ha ke rate kgethollo a o silebo gobane le nna ha ke kena shopong nke ke be ka rekela ngwana ka dintho tse turang ya ba ke rekela wa hae dintho tse cheap tsela eo ke tlabe ke ratang bana ba ka yona ke tsela eo ke tlabe ke rata bana ba hae ka nke ke be ka morate be le hore ke kgetholla bana ba hae a o se lerato engwe hape a o se lerato wa tseba eo ke hlokang gore eo ke hlokang mme wa ka se ke buile ka gore ka nnete ke mme a tshabang lerata bona le ha ua family e ska ba ntate a nang le kgethollo family kore nna le ena re eme dipakeng mo ho na le sekgeo ka ha bona ra ema ha ona le sekgeo ka heso re a ema
okay
a o se lerato ka nnete ke hloka ntate a tlo tla tseba hore nna jwalo ka mosadi wa hae a bona ke na le bana nkare fela ntate bana ba ka ke tlo ba ruta hore ntate eo o tla pele ke le rata haholo le bana ba ka mara ntate enwa o tla pele ho lona
wow mare ha re jwale o yentsha monate man sa teba haholo ka yone re tlo teba beke tlang hantle ne ke batla fela o ba gadise fela hore na wena o no batla njwetse fela dilemo tso reng nna ke batla montate wa dilemo tse kana ho fihlella ho bokana
wa tlo se dilemo a se lerato ke na le 45 engere ke batla ntate wa utlwa 45 ho ya hodimo ha o se lerato
ho fihlella nomorong e feng kapa ha ona le taba
yo e seng
ka bo 55
a tšhinka be o fihlella bo ma 55 a o se lerato a o se lerato ene ebe ntate a tseba ha ke rate dintho tse tshwarehang
re tlatla ho tsona tseo re tlatla ke ne ke batla fela o ba gadise ka enana next week re tlatla re tlo bua hantle ka botebo njetse he hoba Facebook ya rona re shebellwa ke batho ba bangata ne taba ya step if hona le ntata ka re wa o rata but he o batla o etsa mosadi wa bobedi o ka idumela taba eo
a tseba a o se lerato tabeng ya step ke nagana hore ha nka thola motho a ka buang le nna hantle ka se utlwisisa ke nagana hore nka se be le bothata hobane ke tjho balo a o se lerato re ke etse mohlala ha ke rate ho cheatwa hobane le nna ha hona mohla ke tla cheata.
Wow, okay.
A o se lerato ke nagana hore ha nka thola motho a ka buang le nna hantle a nhlalosetsa ke nagana hore nka dumela a o se lerato
ha re tshwara hona mo re sa hlotse re feta haebe ho na le ntata a shebelletse a ileng hore a ka nka Osinthabi for ho ba mosadi wa bobedi Osinthabi ha o ka bua le yena wa etsa a utlwisise ha bone e ka ba le bothata but ha ke kopa re khate hona mo ka Osinthabi re sa hlotse re mo botsa dipotso ke nahana yena ebile o ile dipanyana but ne ke batla fela le utlwa re na le di-candidate Osinthabi lerato la pelo ya ka ke tla bua le wena re tla kopana next week o utlwa baby
ya leboha se lerato
thank you rato la ka
thank you
ha
Gloria are jo le ena ga rate ntho tse ngata making what
yo le yena ga rate ntho tse ngata marking sheet jo on Dr. November a kitse no kana a kitse because ke o mat but ne re so ka re fetsa ke re ka wena ntate
okay
yes ha kitse whether ke kwale ka di candidate ka ofela before and then e be le hone he ke tla ya mo go wena ne ntate moruti ke kopa fela go ikwala ka di candidate tsaka mare hey viewers at home you are still more than welcome hore le ka tswella ka this le lona ba ile gore ha ke le founele I said you are more than welcome to call me even after show but ne nka thabela gore le mfounele no tjena na show rutlwe re prepare batho so that at least batho ba tsebe gore na for season 3 go tlo etsagala o tlo ntse go tsena boma the single ladies the single maranzo o ba mametse ntse e rate if uno sena motho ge uno bona tlo pass as a man a dutse no yana
agree until number 1 wa mmotsa hore yena
mara ke no yana ha o bua step o bua as a man o ileng gore o
kana lona o sengela
yana re itle ya go nna yo ke host
ne ke botsa hore o host e sengela
ha ke kgone ho sheba phone ka ke shebe ke bo mamba shebile so a ke kgone ho araba cause ha ke kgone ho bona gore na ke bo mamba shebile if ne ke kgona go bona for okay who and who is watching ne ke tla go araba mare ge go itse modimo bagaetsho taba ya ka mo tsamaisong ya tsa lerato go itse modimo ne ke re tlogeletse ka sipa ntate but ntate as a man as a man wena o no re
to arabe
gote host araba nna ke shebile ke le ka araba le batla o ka araba kere ke tlhalose sentle ke tlogole di phone ba gaetšo mo tabeng tsaka tsa lerato wa bona e leng relationship ha ke kgone gore nkare ke lefa maybe karabo e yang karabo ya ka korela go itse modimo for go diragala eng ke tla tloga ke re ha ke sengile kganti ga ne ke le sengile lawa so ha re tlogele ka le reng go itse modimo nna a ke batle ka moso bele re ke motho o maka ke motho ya because re tla motho tla ikeletsa le khaga relationship ganti galo le so ke nana ke le arabile viewers at home yes ke arabile yo a ke re tate ma wena wa itlhaloganya ke re tsa ka motho motolo
Manchari.
It's complicated. I get you also. Wena tlhaloganya dilo tse ha di batle for yo ha di batle mara ntate motho nna yaka Jehova ke na itse
Fonela candidate
ne ke batla because this one o ke tlo mo fonela he's a man now ne ke batla before I can call him kapa ke mo phonela e be le go wa bua okay. My candidate number 3, it's a wonderful day. Hey, oh yes, it's a wonderful day. Alachu! Na ke tla le kirela tle. Ya ka yone go ntse go itse modimo ka yone. Mara nna ke tla le zama ya. Yo di candidate tse tsone ha di arabe. Ke kopa o arabe. Candidate, please answer your phone. Candidate, answer your phone, please. Sure, Jojo. E le gore ntate moruti taba ya relationship ke taba e botlhoko. Go le ha motho a sentse ipatlela ga basoko. Candidate, please answer your phone. Before ke fetela ko showing e nngwe ke mo haitsi ka mo feta. Now can I call somebody who will wrap up the show just before you ntate moruti? Okay go utlo for na yena o re tshwaretse ditaba tse di reng eng. Ke taba sa relationship ya dumelang le kae ntate wa ka?
Re teng le kae? Network ya lona e bile ntahlile nna ke sa tseba le hore tsamaya kae.
Okay, no ke ne ke fetsa fela go bua le di candidates tsa ka tse tsa bomme, but then yes, and then they laid out the ideal men tsa bona, but ha ka batla gore ba ye deep. I now it's an introduction of season 3, the right pick season 3. Now introduction was how to see everything.
Yeah.
Yes. Now, ke batla fela o bue le all the men and all the ladies. As all the men and all the ladies. Re tla starta ka the ladies. And then o address bone and motivate them ka finding the partner, and then re tla fetela ko go all the single men. Viewers at home, ke bua le Dr. Mgadi. And now I kere jaka re ntse re tsena ke re ntate moruti ntse re bua di relationship status tsa go Lena a bue sa a introduce sentle
ke na la are
a go ka gale ntate moruti
ke batla lona
ke ne ke nagane lefatshe la masengele ke lefatshe le monate ka tswa nna ka go lone ka tswa okay ntate moruti ke kopa fela o bue le the two ladies ba ile gore already ba santse ba
all of them
ba santse ba tsenetse competition le ba santse ba tlo go tsenela competition all the ladies.
Yeah, thank you Ausilerato and dumelang viewers at home kaofela dumelang ke Dr. Mgadi ya buang le lona jwale ke tla fitisa fela mantswana a mmalwa ona le e kutlile mono a bua ka a iwane fela kutlileng hanyane fela as a mention a dintho tsa di batlang.
Yes.
But in my motivation go bona ke tlo go bona in most cases when I say in most cases the exact match of what you are looking for. The relationship on flexibility as well because o ka batla motho ana le mmeno a masisane o iphumanela na lino le iwane le letinya ganti ka ba yena the right and the perfect person for that because angata ke utlwile ona le ke utlwileng a re yena o batla a tall and a white skinned. Yes. And then kana go tse ding bonneteng ke choice but o tshwantse be flexible ba be flexible o re kana go tse ding o ka etsala or the right people ba plant way into the opposite people ba batlang. So we choose one type. For me it's one disaster ke nana ke ka bateng but apart from that ke tlo go bona it's possible to find what they are looking for, but it can choose like flexibility. It's absolutely possible to find a mufuta wa motho yema mmatlang. Ke tlo etsa mohlala.
Yes.
Wa bona di to sit in Dr. November previously ana etsa the right pick. Ke flexibility because if re ka dula fatshe ona dintho tse ding tse di leng siko kara o slebo but he had to adjust gore a gone go fita tse le siko tsana di batla kara o slebo because antsa tse ba gore o tlo sebetsa ka thata go leka go o kenya kapa o input some of those things that di batla kara o slebo. So it's possible but it hloka flexibility. So if they are not flexible enough to can be able to assist whatever partner to complete the perfection, akafumana botala itskini ya mmatla maro bona ntho tse pedinyana tse tharonyana tse sa etseng like utlo botsa e mongwe na ona le o batla motho yana le bana kapa jwa o ka etsa ba ka fumana motho yana le bana ba babedi kapa ka fumana batho bana le bana batho bana le motho yana le bana ba bararo kanti that particular person is a perfect setup for yena o ka fita the character ya mofuta wa motho ya mmatla. So flexibility ke yona concern ya ka egolo. They can choose but they mustn't be conclusive udima choice ya bona or no ke decide le ke batla motho ya black in color because o ka tla motho brown but abasuta ababa excellent be ba the perfect match for whatever se batla.
Wow. Okay, that means when you bua ka flexibility or as much as they can have their ideal man kapa woman, but they must bear in mind they might not get the ideal enana, but ba itola to something e ba sa inaganela motho a sa nagana gore ha bua ka light skin go tlatla maybe somebody o light skin go ka tna somebody o leng perfect for yena o leng a perfect match but ba sena light skin.
Yes, definitely Auslerato, because some of the things tse rona re di batlang jalo ka batho ke yona flexibility ke buang ka yona. Some of the things tse re di batlang jalo ka batho ha dio batho bana ba re ba batlang. O ka fumana ha ke le monna ke batla mosadi be ke batla mosadi ya light skin di ganti boikokobetso bo ke bo batlang ha bo yo ka ra mosadi yo bo ka ra mosadi e ka reng o takanyana in skin. So ke tshwantse ke be flexible, you can adjust, because o ska ba le the right picky, it's a show e batlang perfection, e batlang gore ho be le relationship tse excellang.
Yes.
So now if e batla batho ba be successful and excellent in relationships, so the right pick wouldn't want to fit somebody into a relationship of choice more ebisina perfection.
You're making a lot of sense, Tate Muruti. Yes.
Yeah, because if ever the right picky ere toru thusa o batla motho, the right picky in its sense ere toru batlele motho ya ka bang excellent for wena, ya ka kgona go fita di character tsa hao. So because re avoid go ba le di failures pele re be le relationship e raisitsweng ke the right picky mara e be ba a failing relationship. Now the right pick ere ro batlela motho introduce her to somebody who can be perfect to that. So now I've got an ideal woman, but only to find out some of the things take the batang from the ideal woman o kena nka mata o thola o dipatue kara motho e mong e senyena my choice of my proper choice. So it's possible to get what they want, but not in 100% motonya you want kapa to the exact ideal person eba matter.
Wow. Okay.
Very powerful.
Okay, Ntate Muruti. Now I believe taba e flexibility, it goes both for ladies and gentlemen, I guess, for both type, for both out
yes.
for abruti. Now it's not only based
yes.
for one gender.
What's about Silverato? If Bishop Akatumana and Nakabula distinct, Ronaka Fena Lebatwana, Unan Jote Pediter di Bata Massage. We just had the key main things to the Bata. Number one, beauty. Banna beauty. If you can, if Okatumana. Number two, Banna Kaufela, Batsekelanali. Humility. So banna haba afumana bigoko betso ka rabusadi le motle banna hana gore they have completed into my basha. But now flexibility aba thusa le bona batho ba bontate o tsiba go ka ba le mosadi ya semotle to the expectation ya ka Martin abana le di qualities tse dintse ke di batlang a ke se di ketsa sense na
Ntate Muruti ha re ipete go ka nna le mosadi o semontle.
Yes, mar abana the exact qualities tse ke di batlang mar na ideally ya ka ile mosadi ya motle, and then ka ra mosadi ya motle be ke sa fumane boikokobetso mar ka ra mosadi ya seng motle be ke fumana the exact perfection ya the ideal e tlaela ka ra motlemo.
Wow, Ntate Muruti, e powerful. Ha, mare Ntate Muruti, ke kopa re ska ga yentsha madi. Ne ke re fela re ba utlwise fela gore na mo season 3 ke di eng dilo tse tla bo go diragala ke batho ba fame ba re tla beng re na le bone, because ke re you are one of the people ba tla neng ba ntse ba tlhagella mo season 3. Ba tlo advise batho ba ile gore ba batla le ba sa ntseng ba tlo go create, because a ke re season 3 ha e tlo go kwala ile gore ha gona di couple tse di leng gore season 3 e di dirile.
Definitely.
Yes.
Definitely.
Now, I just wanted to go batho ba utlwe gore o tla bo le teng, and what are the advices so tla bo fana ka tsona ka mogare ga season 3.
Thank you, Slerato.
Ke lebogile thata hle Ntate Muruti Mngade.
Ke lebogile thata ne ke batla fela le qetelle taba ya router man o bona ntwe ya router ka utlwa hantle network e ne gaoa.
Okay, ke a Ntate Muruti, bye bye Ntate.
Bye.
I'm coming tomorrow, Mkhotsi.
Router man.
Mkhotsi, I'm still coming tomorrow. I agree internal sebeletso sane mantsibu.
Yes, usane internal sebeletso renale sebeletso Petersburg ka 6 o'clock qala ka 6 o'clock usane ba tla ba etsa announcement renale sebeletso usane
Aba iphushe le nna ke tla iphusha usane radio ngoseng. ka 11:10.
Thank you mokgotsi ke tlo etsa jwalo.
Thank you mogotsi wa ka ke tla re na le bothata ba ruta tse sa patalweng mo.
Bothata ba ka ke ene sa patala ke batla utlwa
Ah ba se le ke le ntse le mpomotsa ga ba e patala.
Bye Ntate Moruti. Re buile le Ntate Moruti ntho Mgade a fana ka advice ne ona na we kwetse kapa ke create this candidate ya Ntate Rutlwe yene from site labo
Maro ikwetse mara ku moleki.
Balina ha ke re utlwe fela cause ke rena o tla mo bua as candidate le yena a le ya out dilo tse a di batla batho. Yes, candidate, please answer your phone. Hasa Arabi Rafita. Okay, no, ke nana re mo fete ntate. Ke nana re mo fete now. Ke kopa wena because a kere ya ga go re feditse. The update ko hore because this time you will be choosing for the last time. It's not that how fetsa go choose you will be granted another opportunity for a kheta gap. Now very very careful. Now but as much as ononzo only very careful how we tsiketsa thata the efforts, but it's something that onzo tswella go idira.
Yeah, ake ntse ke tswella step tsona ntse ke se batla. And then but it's just that like I said to ake like you can the candidate tsa bo kai
Pretoria yeah.
But ba bang re bua ka phone ne then honest rasoloto na le batho ba rena ke qeta bua lena ka phone go tla re no this one it won't work.
Baba Blel for mwana ko gae ke tse ke bua le wena mare ha e tlo bereka. It's not about you or if I update.
It's difficult whatever because when I did into so oling ukaske wa khona because remember batubana a ke jwe le bona it's a date. Now when o jwetsa motho ka ntho eling problem ya hae a ka se ka khona wa change. When you got we plant it into you. And then how you don't choose that person, how you musile canto you.
It's just that this show is not about you.
Very difficult.
Hey.
Very difficult.
Don't you think it's better to do that? Unlike to give somebody false hope.
No, if you move for false hope, I can communicate and tell you that. But if communication if it means
also when
ona le dintho tse nka skeng ka o jwetsa tsona ke sa tlo choose. I mean ke tlo fa dintho ke tlo bolela dintho tse tla be di dutse ke lelong ya hao tse tlo etsa gore every when you consider a monna it is not right.
Mara ke re berekela go tswa ka khoro o kreye a ke re la ka ke re go tswa ka khoro o tsho o tla botshwere basadi ba gago ba babedi o tswa ka khoro o dira. Now how is this thing we dira ya go you not telling them, you'll be communicating with them ka manje mangwa ba ghost
ke mo ghost ora communicate ke bona right but
pastor wa ghost le ene o tsho ghost ke ntabo ntate ne pastor wa ghost vandag ke
but nowadays I also la hlaona no
sare harisa ere nowadays na ha ke la ka ghost re bua ka wena no
exactly wona
a ke go ijikisitse ra ikwana show ra ntate Moruti Mgade o advise the candidates very powerful.
It's very powerful.
Yes.
And Hannah Buaka flexibility, that's very powerful.
Yes.
And I think I thought out Linda I think that is my problem. That is my biggest weakness.
No, this question, in Nelly to this thing and that Murutim Gade Abuileka, Nekebata Reberi Fitlem. That is why ko botsang gore na are we nearer kapo santsule now we how to the efforts how to now my question was now if you look they don't meet the requirements, do you tell them kapo what ki into dira now it goes back to flexibility now ke mo santseng go apply we flexibility day le teng yes I get a make sense
what's my Silike Kitori when Harry Banna we differ. Banna ba differ. And that is why okay get la tasha lena ne Harry Banna re differ ne rena le banna when I would choose utla ho yena nothing else. Hobubale monna when utla ho yena le responsibility you anang yona. You get my point? Who is nteki thutile nyona? Who is for a woman to come to a man you utlang ho yena with asna the responsibility very easy.
Yeah.
Very easy. Very easy.
Ka understand.
Lady expectation wena o le mosadi ha di be high of otla
monna asnang the responsibilities because how utla o itlela ho yena fela ha utle ho yena le di responsibilities tsa high.
And when we look at the responsibilities, people they need to understand that ona le di responsibilities tse re ke tsa bana. I say it's not. We don't take it.
We don't even consider them as a responsibility because it's part of our life.
Yes. But only the responsibility. Ne, are some shalakanna. Now I've got huge responsibility. And responsibility. And so when monna ya tshwana nna, a tshwanela ho choose. O tshwanetse be careful. Be careful. Two things say it's along. Even if Dr. Mgada aka decide to nyala, be careful.
Yeah.
Because when you choose a partner, number one, choose for you and fit wena and the responsibility. Because when your partner fit wena, marasa fit your responsibility still you don't have a partner. Number two, na partner if as a hono fita the responsibility still don't talk frustrated.
Yeah.
Do you make sense? So that is why if and basadi ba bangata bana di ntene or when ba sheba banna kelelo tsa bona fela di bolplela fela re yo nna ke batla mosadi monna solo. But you need to consider yourself or as a woman, are you able to feed the life, the responsibility someone you know? Because bana ba rena le bona bao basadi bana le bona ka di kelelo. Basadi bana kre bana le bana the ideal man.
Yes. Jolo ka ba re qeta ho ba utlwano ya.
Yes.
And I believe every woman ona le ideal man.
But what wants to share? That is why nkile ka bua ntongwe guys. Kare when u batla banna ba leveleng etse when a personal you need to take your life to that level so that o ska ba batla monna yo wena o se leveleng ya hae.
Ya no ha batla businessman
O sena ke lola business o tlo etsa motho.
Oh sonto ndelekele le sim business. Oh, at least I can't think
if you are saying Nagi into business
or run business.
The question kur when that man I will choose, automatically that person will expect when as my wife be part of my responsibility to say dintho tse
Nonneng o romelle email ka Shuzzles, yo.
It's a serious problem.
It's
a serious problem. So most of the time, when we ntse re batla batho, we need to be careful rona re leveling efe concerning batho bana ba re ba batlang. Seleke, le viewers at home. If ona le batho ba ka reng ha o fihla bophelong ba, you're going to be miserable as a woman. You're going to be miserable. Because ka bosa tsebo tshwantse tshware kae. A o tlo tseba hore wena o tshwantse o fite kae. And you're going to be miserable. And it's painful for a woman again or abe life ya mara ba sa tsebo yana fita kae. Oba frustrated. Loena as a partner, not only to us men or rebe, but Lynn, if you are that woman, obu chuza monna nje. Ole mosadi ya levelating obu choose just a man. You're going to be miserable because sona le bana ba sa khone go fita di life tsa basadi ba bona ba sa khone go fita di responsibility tsa basadi ba bona and basadi ba bona ba ithola ekar ha bana banna mara bana le banna. And the danger part about that hana go ntse tsama le qetele se le jealous sona le ba jealous. Because now, if you are my wife, now you are running things so next automatically alone.
Yes.
You are not going to involve me. Not because you want, not because you don't want to involve me, but because I go So that's when now. When uba successful or succeed, I'm going to be jealous. Self into the insecurities. Miserable because that is the problem. Yaruna ya unkaba tunje. Resa consider the role it's about. Now berbali batu. Kim monanje 197. Kyo ibito 7, 8 to 9.
8 to 9.
When I remember in the 8 to 9. If only Muna Wawili 8, Obata ol Mosadi only 8 to 9 Luen, then Bata 8 to 9 Yamun. The look up at this one.
How did the family celebrate?
I think 8 to 9 that's on now.
Okay, that means if real, and I now understand you next how understand how only Mosadi batla motho wa level e itseng ikise leveling yo. That means you don't have to own a business, but e ba le clue ya gore mara mo di businessing go diragala so that at least le topic balance now. 8 to 9 le bone ha ba le together, at least topic ya bone le bone ya balance.
Because le bantu mse yo fanda ga mosebetsi wa ka yo no le heavy. Bosaka ona sele yo fanda oba lwana na le stress sorry ba language
language ya tshwana na a gona o feelang gore mara o diragala so no, I understand that moruti. Thank you so much, thank you so much. Ke nagana le for the site la gago I think you dikarabo tso faneng ka tsona you have made us understand more gore na why taba ya mamngane it take long. Because I get one can ask for Mary, the right peak season 1 yone e diragetse fela fast. Now why is season 2 prolonging kapa it's ana go now? At least now nale di viewers re na le an understanding gore this time when you choose o tla bo choose as out qetela. It's not like you will be somehow given another attempt or opportunity or
Dr. Brady.
Yes.
We say obana ke tshutse lebo asna background ya kereke
ya pulos.
Sabo pulos.
Yeah.
And the thing
You're saying not just
Una
kereke ya
tjhaka.
pholoso, kereke e tshwanang le ya hao, because yes, kereke ya pholoso di teng, but ya hao is different.
Yeah.
Ya hao e na le ba sebetsi, e na le office, ke as much as le kereke ya
It's
pholoso,
also
but
almost a
ke
company.
business, yes, ke company. Yeah.
Obon, I read example. Obon, ke choose Lebo. Lebo is una tjhakela di kereke tsa pholoso, but also be involved and then aba serve ka ra kereke ya pholoso. Ne? Now, Lebo kona ke ntseng ke mo train. And the more so long as ke mo train, also be the role in the ministry, in the church. Ntle now we'll say for now also be the role. Now, if I choose another person who doesn't have the same
Background ya kereke ya pholoso.
ke tla be ke
Yeah.
na le basadi ba babedi ba tlabeng ba sa kgone ho fita
The responsibility.
the responsibility.
Okay. Okay.
Obona is going to be a challenge.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
I mean, it tla be sa sense hore ke na le basadi ba babedi, but ke bana both of them about me next ministry, about me next, it won't make sense. It tla be sa
Okay.
So that is why now decision e ke ba ke tshwantseng ke etsa, I need to be very careful, because nka se nke Lebo ya sa tsebe next ministry, and then be ke tlola ta hape motho a sa tsebe next, and then now life ya ka ile ministry.
Eish.
Because my life is a ministry.
Yeah.
And then two, ke phela ka ministry. You get my point? So whoever can be back, even if we can run businesses but ministry it's a ke holo. Ke very important because ke bophelo ba rona. So that is why ke le ka ngwe hlalosa hore for now taba o choose mamncane ka mamkhulu hoda is very important. Very, very important because ngasi choose basadi ba babedi who are not good to run the ministry, and then be ke tlo phela le bona, it won't make sense.
No, on the Muruti, we explained like I now understand now why nako, and now you made people and viewers, I believe you made viewers who understand what Ntate Muruti Mugari said haholo, and later ya hore as much as re batla batho people, but let's always have mentality wabo flexibility, you know. Bear in mind that we're thinking now, not because I want this and this, but when at the Murutu, you are very strict in your ideal person.
And again,
Now,
Shapa.
flexibility before you call ke feel like something like 10 minutes before you call flexibility when how we apply.
Hell, I thought Dr. Mugade will play something very, very important. Honali Batu. Pagaru is Rufula Hoya how little how.
I viewers
And about Ba Karukan.
o ka ba beya mo bo ba operate go na le dilo tse o di ntshang
These are from Taylor.
Mary.
Now, I think that is my biggest problem. Moruti Mugade bula ka basadi ba ba banna rata basadi ba batle.
Yeah.
That is number one. Basadi ba respect them. Now I think you're not in Shapa because honestly, note, na beauty man can consider the looks.
How do you go flexibility? Mara e le gore ko wena ka mara ba
But they don't
rata batho ba bantle.
Most of us, banna baba. That is why monna ka unyala, le sotleile aba unyala, then mosang anang le tšhelete o lo jona le basadi ba batle.
Okay.
Basadi, that thing e ka ho rona hore banna rata basadi ba batle is there e ka mo rona wa bona. But ka bo madimabe it is not always mo thola mosadi ya motle a bana le kelello. Yes.
O batla gore nka nna cause ke motho.
Ngwana go gae. Most ya rona banna, we don't want nothing from woman. Are ba tšhelete.
Yes.
That is why banna ba ka gona go commit ka wena o sna nix.
Yeah.
Yena le rich.
Yes.
Ali rich mara ba commit because banna we are not interested the tšhelete ka pa di not unless o monna sokolang ha le monna sokolang banna ba sokolang ba yetsa ntwe ba batla basadi ba well off.
Yeah.
But uruna it's not a problem. Or as a man who nka monna mosadi a sna nix. But important is to have a brain. Even if you don't have anything, what you bring
on the table.
On the table. But it's very important to bring a brain. Flexibility and that you need to know, okay, even if I so run a business, but I can help my partner. So, none to sharp and fail. Kisapokura flexibility, man. I call you compromise.
And I rappel Rene.
I see, we can I see.
Because Dr. Mugade said, and this applies to all the ladies and all the gentlemen, the package is very batang. And the lower now, how ruta ko kerekeng o preach. The package is a red batang. Hadi take a tsela e leng gore e decorate le ka tsela e leng gore rona re ka itabe.
I think and that thing yes,
I think next week we will hear from them. Yeah.
Most of Runa Masingile, I couldn't take a single on that side last tape. Half single, half committed.
Marmoba Tumba Baba Betty, how qualified? By say at least we can go 55. I carry a December 56. So how qualified?
Now, I get if that them can 2 seconds, Nasma. Kore and 2 seconds because on a serious note, only but ba hamutle. And the sad part, age is a long on a serious note, never stability. Never about Baurika or build a Louis saying. Because I bet to commit yourself by young, it's a hell of a risk at the age in Nazaruna.
Yeah.
It's a hell of a risk. And now I think that is my weakness. I khoni man khoni ka mosadi a mobi man a khoni next a khoni man
ya no to advice abontate ba banyang ka ntho sa e khoni
hello ka advice agree advice e bitira o yetsa batho
ai bua se no fanda ai go re beke le beke ai o advice ga go fana ka
It's easy to say one that you need to choose a brain and forget about beauty.
Yes.
Yeah, it's easy to say advice, but choosing.
Okay. Now that you have spoken about this thing, most season 3 viewers at home, re tlo nna re ntse re na le di candidate go nne le nako e re bang le di e bang talk show but re ntse re le mo season 3 whereby re tlo go bua ka dilo tse tsa bo di relationship because go na le batho ba ileng gore motho o batla relationship in tete moruti o dutse no o single but hana tolerance. Do you understand? Now go tla somebody atla o sa golang ka tsela e wena go tseng ka yone o igoleiseng ka tsela e itseng. Now o tla to somebody o senang moya next wa go tolerate certain things. Now re tlo go bua gore na dilo tseo di tshameka role yang mo relationship re tlo go bua ka personalities and characters gore na personality and character di destroy a relationship yeah. Now come on some viewers at home le tlo go nna ntse le bona di candidate ha di ya di dating ko dijo neng le tlo go utlwa le ntse le bona re tlamentse re bitsa ntate moruti re bitsa bontate ba bang ba tle ba tshware topic e itseng re bitse bo OC ba tle le bone ba tshware topic e itseng because remember we want to make ntho e ya di relationship perfect. Yes, we understand it might not be perfect, but let it be enjoyable. When we speak ka di relationship, when we speak ka manyalo be gore batho ba ba sawa ba ba yang no. The right pick is here to make dilo tseo enjoyable. Now, this was an intro. Okay, but this was an intro for season 3 right pick. And I said ki lukupile viewers at home gore no phonela di number tse le gore di appear on your screens. Now le ha ke se ke tswile mphonele le mpoleleng gore you know what Oslerato, now we would want to be part of the right pick re tle o re thusa go thola di partner, but this is a live dating show. Everything will be done here online. And to all the people ba ileng gore ba tlo go tla as candidate ba tlo go batla gore re ba kgethele di partners, believe me the right pick it tlo go le protector ka tsela jalo ka re protectile di candidates tse di hitile. This time we going to protect you. Now le di date tsa lona e tlo go ba di date tse leng gore da show wisiwa mona le motlang di candidate di tsayang decision le tlo go tsaya decision ka batho ba tle mona, and viewers le tla be le itse gore mang o kgethile mang and why am kgethile jaka le itse like re for Dr. November o kopane le batho but o kgethile o Slebu, and you all know the reasons why le batho ba le go tseba hela yalo. Yes, nna ke traumatized but ke kopa ge go le ha di number tse le di phonela number e butle ke fane ka number pele tate mo ke wiki e turi
ona le batho ba tse ke hloho ina le bokonyana bo bokana
na sho ya ka ithu boko bukai viewers at home
ona le batho ba le ke hloho ya he ka boko bo bokana brain e kana nyama e lose brain at abai apesa e bitsa di centimeter 32 centimeter
and it's on inch 32 inch. Oh, I was there for my 5,000. We got to give beauty with no brains. Hi. Yo. At the moment.
It's a problem.
Yeah, ne? Marie, because remo right picking ne kukupa botsa potso ile be re kwa. For such a person, I get a babang because of surrounding. Ne? Because of surrounding, because of background.
Association.
Now motho ha ipone for keep beauty with no brains. Now, hona le tsela e ba ka thusagalang ka yone ntate moruti. If motho o yana
once of it less stage sa ubatla sa commitment, and it's not right to start it's very important or when o le motho o qale o upgrade bophelo ba hao, even if you do research or attend the seminar very important, very business seminar.
Yeah,
you don't have a business but you just go the seminar tadi o sebedisa tšhelete.
Oh yeah. Yes.
Very important.
Yeah.
Because o etsetsa gore mohlang o ka kopana le motho a ska tlo struggle ka wena.
Okay. Yeah.
So very important. 2, once you decide a commitment, usoka uthola motho, qalela no, we equipped.
Equipped.
Well,
Yes.
so
Okay.
that at least when you feel bophelong ba motho le wena you must be proud ka boteng ba bophelong ba motho, because if you don't know where to fit, what to do bophelong ba motho, you are going to be very frustrated. And today re na le batho ba very frustrated manyalo le relationshiping.
Hi, viewers at home, it was lovely. I truly enjoyed myself, Honna le lona, and thank you so much. I'm aware Honna le batho ba qadileng show le rona ha ne re starta up until now. Thank you so much for your time. It was just an introduction, yeah, season 3 right peak, and then from next week Monday you're going to see right peak a different. The setup will be different because now it's season 3. Now to all the single guys out there, bareng oslerato, we are ready to commit. Ke tlo lefa di number tse le di founela. And to all my single ladies, bareng oslerato, we are ready to commit. Ha re sa batla to play around. What we want right now is commitment. Ke kopa le mfounele di numbers. These numbers you can also WhatsApp me on. Now ke di 067 095 5039 067 095 5039. Ke kopa di bitsa sa o qetela ke 067 095 5039. Ka kopa viewers at home mfouneleng and then ke bueng le lona ka re ba melang ha gona next e tshosa mo. This is a very very lovely journey, and ha e fela with good results. Re dirile abuti ashu ga mo batela no yena o happy ka abuti o happy ibile o batla step. And who knew gore ka 2024 Dr. November tla batla na le step? Nobody knew that. Now Luena, it's a nene. Who knows gore ka 2024 ha e fela le kwalo tla be le itlhatlhe di khomu. Betsa go ga itile gore di khomu la di heta castrate sa lona di sekeda ya go jika ko gate. O kile bona se ya di nne di tsene ko di jareteng tsa batho ha di hita. Wena go ga lona be bo se no khomu etla. Now ha re fetseng ka lefatshe la bo singile. Ladies and gentlemen, now keep those calls coming, and then I will sort you out. From me to you, Retabonanang next week, an official opening. Yeah, the right pick, season 3. Thank you. Dr. November, unsali in the search. Unsali in the search. Marehe. Yene ki step o batla number 2. And then diranyalo lene a fete, and then bontat kapa bombe baba shebeletse show baba ri Dr. November re shebeletse show ya gago ya step ra e rata le oslevu nna ke le mme wa khatlung ka dumela ntate wa ka anyala step kapa ntate ba re Dr. November ko kopa nthuse go nyala step. Right Pick believes in love and believes in happy marriages and believes in making families happy. Leona yeo re tla o thusa ka yona. Founela fela di nomboro tsenana, and then o tla utlwa fela tsamaiso ya rona gore na e tsamaya yang, then o tla ba all good and sorted. Thank you, ke le rata ka love enkulu engaka. A big bye.